Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you this amazing head wrap. The steps to achieve it is quite simple. So we are going to dive into the video right away and learn how to achieve it, guys. So if you are seeing this face for the first time, don't forget to click the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel on YouTube. If you are seeing it on Facebook, click on the follow button and follow my page. Give it a thumbs up. So let's get started. So you get your material. When you get your material, you don't need to divide it into any parts. Just take it straight like that, like length form. Then you begin to pleat it the way I'm doing right now. Just split it to the last edge like that. Then you use your rubber band to frame it there. So I'm just trying to frame it with my elastic band there. So when you want to tie this head wrap or gele style, you need your pin and you need your rubber band. Get them ready and close to you whenever you want to tie this style. So after I have secured that place with rubber band, then I'll go down a bit and pleat it like that. Just watch the way I pleat it. Yeah, take your time to watch the video. Don't skip so that you don't miss any part of the video. As whenever you skip or you miss any part of the video, you might not actually get how I was able to achieve some part here. And this is quite simple. I think this is the only technical thing we have here. So keep on watching. I pleated and I folded like twice. So that is what I'm showing you guys. The first one has been done and this is the second one. So I put the two together, then I'll be using my elastic band to grab the two together. I'll use my elastic band to grab the two together. So I'm using my elastic band to grab that place together to get the two sides secured. So after that, you just take it straight like this and place it right on your head. Just place it right on your head. Then you take it backward. You arrange that side like that and the other side. You take it backward and you twist it and twist it forward like this. Twist it like this and see what I'm going to do next. I'll be wrapping it around at the front like this. I'm taking from the back then to the front, guys. I'm taking to the front like this, and I'll be taking it round. Just concentrate and watch how I did that. Then I pin it down at the back like that. Sorry, you're not seeing that place. I'm just pinning that twist down at the back. Then I'll press this one fan. I'm pressing it down and I will roll it around those pleated parts. I'm rolling it around those pleated parts and I'll secure the two edges with office pin. I hope you can get. So before you forget, just click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up and share this video to reach people who really need to learn how to tie gele. We are no more in era of I do not tie gele. Okay, so save yourself some cost, some money, and learn how to do it yourself. So I'm pinning those edges down like that and I'm trying to adjust it. So guys, concentrate and watch till I finish. Then those plates that I have up, I'll just pull them out and pull them out. You see what we have here. If you don't mind, you can leave it like this. You just make sure you arrange those ones, you arrange them well. You can leave it like this, then you're good to go. So I'll be showing you more ways you can design it. So you just go like that, then you pull it out very well. Keep on pulling, arrange it. When you are doing it, you even see that it's giving you shape that you will love. Just stop if you feel you are okay, but I'll be showing you more ways anyways. This is one. You can leave it like this, then you rock it out. Then if you don't want that, you can separate the both side, yeah, to form that bow or butterfly or whatever. You can separate it like this. So that's another one. So you can see it's super easy, guys. So you can do it yourself. Once I can do it myself, I believe you can do it yourself. Just take your time. Take your time. Especially we have soft material. This material I'm using is a bit hard. We have material. You'll be able to achieve it as fast as you can. You can see this now. At least if you go out, you are fine with it. So you can rock it anywhere. Church, naming ceremony, any party at all. So I'm done. I'm just checking that out. And another style I'm showing you. See the last one. Just turn it round, put those two edges together, save it with your office pin, and you can design the middle with anything, like any beautiful flower or anything, and you are good to go. So that is that. Look at that. We're done, right? So comment. Bye.